Best cheap sauna. Number 1. Aleco Cheap Sauna. Built with tempered glass windows allowing you to see out the sauna while still being durable enough to withstand high temperatures. LED light upon entry provides easy visibility and access for late night steam sessions. Comes partially pre-assembled with built-in venting holes for easy heating. Powered by a new upgraded premium European Harvey Equip electric sauna heater. Made in Finland, US safety standard CE and ETL certified wet or dry heater. 240 volt simple to operate dial control allows for easy access and comfortable control of your heater. Automatic 60-minute shutoff timer makes for a safer sauna experience. For longer heating, simply reset the timer. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Cabins Cheap Sauna. Pre-cut with instructions ready to build. Free curbside delivery included. Kit includes foundation joists, partially pre-assembled wall elements, doors, lockable wooden frame exterior door and tempered glass interior door, one large round window, hardwood sauna benches, Nordic spruce changing room bench, 3x stainless steel bands, vent covers, asphalt shingles, hardware package with nails and screws. All saunas are shipped unfinished, assembly required. 2-room outdoor sauna kit, 6 to 7 person sauna, complete kit, 1/5/8 Nordic spruce construction, made in Europe. Heater with rocks included. You have choice of electric or wood. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Dynamic Cheap Sauna. This item will be delivered curbside. To have the item delivered to a location of choice on your property, kindly make additional arrangements with a third-party provider ahead of delivery. 9 Maxis low EMF far infrared carbon heating panels, 3 on each of the 2 rear walls, 2 under the bench and 1 on the floorboard. Full 3-person capacity, operates beyond 140F. Natural reforested Canadian hemlock wood construction. 6mm interior and exterior wood planks with a 1.13-inch inner frame. Enjoy the benefits of light and color with chromotherapy in your dynamic sauna. Chromotherapy is the science of using colors to adjust body vibrations to frequencies that result in health and harmony. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Radiant Cheap Sauna. Eastern hemlock scar-resistant and hypoallergenic properties make it the ideal wood for sauna construction. This durable wood is an excellent insulator, keeping your heat contained within your sauna room. Add luxurious relaxation to your basement, gym, or master bathroom. Real Canadian hemlock adds a natural sophistication to your home decor. And you'll enjoy crisp, clear sound thanks to an integrated audio system. Ease the stresses of the day with a full-spectrum color therapy system. An integrated sound system includes a CD player, radio, and aux input. You'll also enjoy comfortable backrests, towel hooks, and a magazine rack. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Serene Life Cheap Sauna. Personal sauna. Can't get to the spa but want to experience the benefits of sauna therapy? No problem, this indoor sauna kit comes with everything you need to get your sauna on in the comfort of your own home. Portable sauna unit. Have a mobile beauty spa or want to move your sauna dome from one room to another? Our infrared sauna is conveniently portable. You can pick it up or pack it up when needed. Enjoy and relax. Use this sauna to relax after a day of work, while reading books, listening to music, play on your mobile phone, watch movies and so on. While other saunas require you to build your own sauna room using your own stool or chair. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comments.